Ever felt like you're trying to build an online empire, but you're juggling 1,000 different tools and platforms, and it's just chaos? Like you're trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. Especially when you're trying to connect your WooCommerce store with a dropshipping or wholesale directory like SaleHoo. I mean, let's be real. You've got your WooCommerce store, meticulously crafted, products listed, payment gateways set up. You're ready to roll. But then sourcing products becomes this massive headache. You need reliable suppliers, you need profitable products, and you need a system that integrates seamlessly. That's where SaleHoo comes in, right? But the burning question is, does it actually play nice with WooCommerce? Can you actually make these two powerhouses work together? If you've ever found yourself typing SaleHoo WooCommerce integration into Google, hoping for a magic bullet answer, you're not alone. The promise of effortlessly importing products, finding reliable suppliers, and streamlining your entire dropshipping or wholesale operation is incredibly appealing. And honestly, it should be appealing. But let's cut through the hype and get down to the nitty-gritty. First, let's establish what we're talking about. WooCommerce, for those who might be new, is a fantastic, open-source e-commerce platform built on WordPress. It's incredibly flexible, customizable, and widely used. It's the go-to for many online entrepreneurs because it gives you control. You can design your store exactly how you want it, add plugins to enhance functionality, and manage your entire business from one dashboard. Now SaleHoo. SaleHoo is a directory of vetted dropshippers, wholesalers, and manufacturers. It's designed to help you find reliable suppliers for your online store. They do the legwork of verifying suppliers, so you don't have to worry about scams or unreliable partners. They also offer market research tools to help you find profitable niches and products. Sounds perfect, right? The core of the issue lies in the direct, automatic integration. See, SaleHoo isn't a plugin or a direct API integration for WooCommerce like, say, a payment gateway plugin. There's no install and go button that magically connects the two. That's the first thing you need to understand. There's no automated product import from SaleHoo directly into your WooCommerce store. This doesn't mean they're incompatible, though. It just means the process is more manual than some might hope. It's a bit like cooking from a recipe book. You have all the ingredients, SaleHoo suppliers, and the kitchen, WooCommerce. But you still need to put in the work to create the final dish. So how does it work? Let's break it down into practical steps. First, you'll use SaleHoo to find your suppliers and identify the products you want to sell. You'll browse their directory, contact suppliers, and negotiate terms. This is where SaleHoo's vetting process is invaluable. You can be confident that you're dealing with legitimate businesses. Once you've identified your suppliers and products, you'll need to manually add them to your WooCommerce store. This involves creating product listings, writing descriptions, uploading images, and setting prices. It's a bit of work, yes, but it gives you complete control over how your products are presented. One of the biggest advantages of this manual process is customization. You can tailor your product listings to perfectly match your brand and target audience. You're not stuck with generic descriptions or images provided by the supplier. You can optimize your listings for search engines, improve your conversion rates, and build a unique brand identity. Another crucial aspect is order fulfillment. When a customer places an order on your WooCommerce store, you'll need to manually forward the order details to your SaleHoo supplier. They will then ship the product directly to your customer. This is the essence of dropshipping. While it requires a bit of coordination, it eliminates the need for you to hold inventory. Now, let's address some common concerns. Many people worry about the time commitment involved in manually adding products and managing orders. It's true, it does require more effort than a fully automated system. However, there are ways to streamline the process. Firstly, creating templates for your product listings can save you a lot of time. You can create a master template with all the essential information, such as product title, description, images, and pricing. Then, you can simply duplicate the template and make minor adjustments for each new product. Secondly, using WooCommerce plugins can help you automate certain aspects of your order fulfillment process. For example, you can use plugins to generate packing slips, shipping labels, and tracking numbers. These plugins can integrate with shipping carriers and streamline the entire process. Thirdly, consider using virtual assistants or freelancers to handle some of the manual tasks. You can delegate tasks such as product listing creation, order fulfillment, and customer service. This allows you to focus on the more strategic aspects of your business, such as marketing and growth. Let's talk about the benefits. While the integration isn't automated, there are significant advantages to using SaleHoo with WooCommerce. SaleHoo's vetted supplier directory gives you access to a wide range of high-quality products from reliable suppliers. This reduces the risk of scams and ensures that you're offering your customers the best possible products. SaleHoo's market research tools can help you identify profitable niches and products. This allows you to stay ahead of the competition and offer products that are in high demand. You can use their tools to analyze trends, identify best-selling products, and discover new opportunities. WooCommerce flexibility and customization options allow you to create a unique and professional online store. You can design your store to reflect your brand identity, add plugins to enhance functionality, and optimize your store for conversions. This gives you a competitive edge in the crowded e-commerce landscape. Another benefit is the control you have over your business. With a manual integration, you have complete control over your product listings, pricing, and order fulfillment. This allows you to make adjustments quickly and respond to changes in the market. Now, let's address some potential drawbacks. The manual process can be time-consuming, especially when you're first starting out. You'll need to invest time in creating product listings, managing orders, and communicating with suppliers. However, as your business grows, you can automate certain aspects of the process and delegate tasks to others. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.